Hey guys, welcome to one more video. So if you are having issues to open Adobe PDF into Adobe Reader or the Adobe version that you have installed on the computer, and you already set it up as the default reader, but anyway it's still opening in Chrome or it's still opening in Microsoft Edge, let me show you a really good trick of what you need to do in Edge in order to make it work in the Adobe Reader instead of the Microsoft Edge. For example, let me go to this side. So there is this file. I'm going to click on it, and then as soon as I click on it, as you can see, Edge is going to try to open it. So let me just go back, and then let me go right here into the settings. And then on settings, we are going to look for, we're going to look for cookies and site permissions. Then we are going to go down until we see PDF documents. On PDF documents, we are going to always download the PDF file. Let me just click on this one. And then let me just turn off the preview. So once this is done, let me close the settings. Let me click here one more time. And as you can see, the file is opening now. And then you are able to open it in the Adobe Reader or the Adobe or the PDF preference that you have on your computer. Hopefully this is going to be useful for you, and I will see you in the next video.